Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know. Put it down in the comments. I've got an unboxing now that a lot of my regular June boxes are starting to flow in, so I'm super excited to unbox this with you. I've actually really been looking forward to this. It is my BoxyLuxe from BoxyCharm, and I do get 2 of these, and this is my first one for the month of June 2021. And not only am I going to be unboxing it, but I'm going to give you my opinion and thoughts on several of the products that are in the box, because I tried them out. Well, most of them. Now, before I do the unboxing, really quickly, I just want to say, bear with me. I'm going through a little transition here with kind of my channel. It's more about the backdrops. I've started using a green screen so I can switch up the backgrounds a lot more often than, physically having to change them out. And in doing that, I picked up a green screen and I'm learning to work with it. So let me know your thoughts. And I know that I've noticed in a couple of my videos, some of the products are see-through. I don't know. If it drives you crazy and want me to go back to my regular backdrops instead of the green screen, definitely let me know. I want to know your thoughts. Okay, I got my first BoxyLuxe, and like I said before, I do get 2 of those. I like being able to choose different options and give you guys a couple of different variations of the box that you could potentially be getting that month. I also did open this up, and I pulled out several of the products to use them today. So I'll also be giving you my thoughts on the products, some of the products themselves. So you kind of get a twofer. Now, obviously, BoxyLuxe is quarterly. It comes out every quarter season, and it's $49.99, and it replaces your BoxyCharm base box for that month. And I've really enjoyed getting this. I do really like the subscription, so I don't mind getting 2 of them. Now, the theme this month when we open it up is Dare to Dazzle. And here's the card with all the prettiness on it. And then on the back of the card, we've got a list of all the items that I'm getting in my box. And I've got the variation number, the total value, and also the weight of my box. So I made sure I looked everything up, and I was able to actually find it this month. The actual variation of my box is 502. So that is my variation number. And my box weighed 3 pounds 7 ounces. That's a heavy one this month. So yeah, it's quite a doozy. Let's dive in and see what I got in this month's BoxyLuxe for my first box. And the first thing is this baby. Interesting, right? This is from Smith French, Dublin, and it says fresh green leaves, aromatic hand wash. Okay. I'll definitely use it. I mean, gosh, we go through hand washes like crazy. And this retails for $25 for a hand wash. Yeah. Okay. I mean, yeah. Yeah, that's a little pricey. Okay, so it is an invigorating hand wash, and it's sourced locally and made in Ireland. So, I don't know, actually that's kind of cool. The next thing I got is right here, and it's from Earth Harbor. Now, I've been getting quite a few Earth Harbor products lately in some of my boxes. I don't mind it. I actually really like their products. This one is Sunstone. And it says it's a hair revive elixir. So I have never gotten a hair product from Earth Harbor. So this is kind of interesting. This one retails for $30. The Sunstone Hair Revive Elixir. This is what she looks like. Okay, so it is like a hair serum. And it is supposed to, it says it's the perfect herbal tonic for dry scalp, scraggly ends, and worn out strands. So, okay, it's just like a hair treatment. I'm always open to trying stuff like this. This is what she looks like. Now, obviously, the hand wash and this I did not try today. Okay. I mean, it smells really good, but it's a very light smell. And I'm fine with that. Okay, the next thing is from Avant. And actually, I did see several people get this in their boxes. And I did not try this one yet. But this is a hyaluronic acid replenishing lip serum. And, okay, y'all. This is the doozy, right? So this is what it looks like. Now, I'm all about lip serums and lip balms and stuff like that. This baby freaking retails for $122. And this better give me brand new freaking lips. Now, I did not try that out yet, but I will definitely give it a try and let y'all know if it's worth $122. The next thing I got is this little Luxie brush set, and it comes in this adorable little bag. I did open this up, and I used all of the brushes. So this is the Luxie Florals brush set, and you get 4 brushes and a little like BB beauty blender. Like I said, I actually didn't use the beauty blender today. I forgot about it, but I did use all the other brushes. And the one thing I did find, which kind of creeped me out, was this smells horrible. Yeah, it's really bad. I don't know why I keep smelling it though, but as soon as I opened it out of the plastic, I immediately got this whiff of yuck. But okay, so here are the 4 brushes you get. These actually worked really well. And this eyeliner brush specifically, it's not too soft, which was a big concern I had. Sometimes with brushes like this, they're too soft and flimsy. So doing liners or even lip liners and stuff is almost impossible because the brush isn't stiff enough. But this one is perfect. It worked phenomenal. And the other brushes worked fine. So I'm super happy with this set. It does retail for $40, which for 4 brushes, I mean, but honestly too, that's kind of spot on for Luxie brushes and their pricing. So it's all good. I'm really glad I got that. Again, I do really like the brush set. Now, the next thing I got is the NARS blush. Now, this is it's supposed to be, it's like their top selling blush. So I did use this blush today, and I do have a couple other NARS blushes that I picked up last month in different colors, and I actually am obsessed with these NARS blushes. So I'm over the moon to get another one. They apply so nicely. Here is the color, which I absolutely love. And I told you that blush retails for $30. Did I say 40? No. Okay, yeah, the NARS blush is $30. Okay, the next thing I got is from The Word. That's the name of the company. And it's Woke Cool Steam Eye Mask. This retails for $49.99. And I did choose this. I was super duper curious about it. But as you can see here, it is a full eye mask system that you can use with, this is the inside. This is so soft and silky. But it comes with these eye patches. And it also comes with these right here. And they're just little pad inserts that you can warm up right in your microwave or cool them down in your fridge or freezer to create a cooling or heat effect on as an eye treatment. Again, I thought that was the coolest thing. Super excited to give this a try, and I will let you guys know how it works out. So the other thing that I got is from Dr. Brandt. And this is the triple antioxidant face cream. Now this I was super excited to get. And if you look at the packaging, it's also got, it's stuff about Pride Month. I thought that was the coolest thing that, you know, we're getting it in this month's box. And it's got the Pride stuff on it in support of it. So it's awesome. Now this retails for $64. I know, but again, Dr. Brandt stuff is not cheap, so I'm not surprised. But this is a triple antioxidant face cream. It says it's formulated with a revolutionary A3 power. So, and it's supposed to visibly smooth wrinkles and help prevent signs of aging. And this I did use today after I washed my face and, you know, got my face ready for my makeup. And I actually really, really like it. It doesn't really have a scent or anything to it, which is fine. And this may be something that I purchase again. I liked it that much. Okay, last but not least is the Ciate London palette. And this is the I Am Woman, What's Your Superpower palette. And I did also use this today. And y'all, I am obsessed. Like, this performed amazing. Look at these colors. Now, y'all know me, I am like a neutral addict. But, you know, even though a lot of these colors seem more on the neutral end, they've got these gorgeous pops of purple and like this rose color shimmer and pinks and, oh, yeah. I could not stop playing with this thing today. And that's the look I did. I'm just obsessed. I mean, even the shimmers. Oh my gosh, look at this. I've got this on my eye, but look at how just popping that is. They're so flippin' creamy. And I was able to, look at that. Oh my God. I was literally able to apply these shimmers with a brush, which, as you know, a lot of, you know, a lot of shimmers and different eyeshadow palettes, you have to either apply with your finger or you have to put like a, you know, a base down, whether it's a cut crease or whatever, for the shimmers to actually pop. Not with this one. It just was amazing. And I am just beyond over the moon elated about this palette. I love it. Oh my gosh. Love it. And this retails for $45. Okay. That was my June 2021 BoxyLuxe. And me personally, I am just elated with everything that I got. I'm going to have fun playing with everything, using everything, and everything I've used so far knocked it out of the park for me. Yeah, definitely. Now, the total value of my box for this month, it's $405.99. And that's for a box that's under $50. Yeah, this is such an incredible value. It's amazing. I absolutely love getting it. And I can't wait to see what I get in my next box, because if I get repeats, y'all and me, I'm going to give some of them back to you. So keep an eye out for box number 2. Love you guys bunches. And thank you so much for coming to hang out with me during another one of my videos. I do appreciate you guys so much. And if you haven't done so already, please smash that subscribe button. It does help my channel out so much. And it gives me the ability to continue bringing you guys content like this. In addition to some of the other things I've been doing here and changing things up a little bit. Thank you again. Love you bunches. And I'll talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.